Legal fees for the drafting of estate planning documents. A lot of people have questions. How much will an estate plan cost? What are the legal fees? I have to tell you, they are quite variable depending on who you go to. And if you get your form online, it's going to be way less expensive in the short run than if you go to a law firm. But in the long run, you'll probably find, or your family will find, that there are a lot more expenses if you did an online type of estate plan. But let's talk specifically about wills and living trusts. So wills are intended to take effect when you die. A revocable living trust is something that takes effect now while you're alive. Which is more costly from the legal fees perspective? Again, it is variable. If you go to a particular law firm and they say, well, our revocable living trusts are going to be $2,500, you should ask the question, what comes with that? Is it a package? Does it include the pour-over will? Because if you have a revocable living trust, you're going to need a pour-over will. Does it include your durable powers of attorney and your healthcare directive? So these are all questions you should ask whenever you're getting an estate planning document done. A will may cost less in legal fees, or it may cost more. And so I'm sorry, I can't just say a will is less or a revocable living trust is more. It's so variable. It really depends on the law firm that you're working with. So it's really incumbent on you to be asking, what am I getting? What are you providing? Are you providing an entire estate planning package, everything that I need, or is it a one-off document? And if it's a one-off document, you have to ask, well, how is that an estate plan? How is that any better than me just downloading a form from the internet? So with a revocable living trust, let's talk about how they work. One of the reasons that a revocable living trust actually can involve more legal fees is because a revocable living trust must be funded for it to be operational. Well, who funds it? Are you doing the quitclaim deed, or is the lawyer helping you? Are you yourself retitling your bank accounts, or is the lawyer giving you counsel and guidance? So if the law firm is helping you, making sure your revocable living trust is going to work like it's supposed to, the legal fees actually may be higher than if you are getting a will-based platform for your estate plan, because there's more services, more work, more ongoing assistance that the law firm is providing you. So a revocable living trust might be involve more legal expenses. Now, if it doesn't, if you have done your shopping and you're looking at a law firm and their revocable living trust is actually on the less expensive side, less than a will, ask the question, are you helping me fund this? Are you giving me guidance? Or are you just giving me a form that's a 60-page form and you sign it and you don't have a clue what you're supposed to do? If so, then maybe that's not the right plan or the right law firm for you. It all comes back to, for an estate plan to be a good plan, you have to understand it. If you don't understand your estate plan, then go to the lawyer, and if that lawyer is not going to explain it to you, or is not going to take the time, or they're unavailable, or whatever you run into, then you might want to reach out to another estate planning lawyer.